How to fix double tap not working on Instagram. So if you want to fix the double tap not working on your Instagram, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you've installed the update. So just simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for Instagram. And once you've searched, you need to simply tap on the Instagram application. And if you have any updates right here instead of the open button, then you need to simply go and update the application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing we need to do is clear the cache and storage of your Instagram. So just simply tap and hold on to that Instagram application, go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with clear storage also. But before clearing your storage, make sure that you remember your login information, because if you don't remember, then it might be difficult for you to log in again. Now, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the application and install it again and try fixing your problem. But if that still doesn't, then the last way is to open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search for Instagram old versions. Just simply search for it, and here you will have all of the older versions of your Instagram application. You can simply go and install the older version, and you can try logging in, and your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Instagram double tap not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.